I said Bo. Today, I'm in Miami. I didn't record because I was busy figuring out everything else. But I'm here. I've been here the whole day. My camera acting funny, so if you see it flicking, don't say nothing. Just watch. But anyways, we're here in Miami. Y'all can't shout that. I'm in some lingerie and I'm having a lingerie party. But I got on a very appropriate one, but I just still don't want to show y'all because, yeah, I don't want to do that. But, so yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna do. All girls, and we're gonna get lit. I just took a shot. Yeah. The clothes I had. Oh, we actually went to the mall earlier to Avenger Mall, and yeah, we didn't get much things. So yeah, but I had on a little basic fit. I'm gonna insert a clip. But yeah, we're getting lit now. It's around 8:10 or 8:15 or something like that. We just got some food order. We ordered Pizza Hut. We're gonna have 2 pizzas. We having 2 pizzas. We having pepperoni and a supreme, and we're having some chocolate chip cookie, like a large chocolate chip cookie. So we have for dessert. We're gonna have some boneless wings with some Cajun fries. What else? And cheese sticks. So yeah. Oh, and a Mountain Dew. We already had drinks, but we got another one because why not? We need another soda, and we here for 2 more days, so we'll be out. But yeah, y'all. You supposed to drown. I know you hear that a lot on the back. I turned you out. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all us getting lit. Before I do that, I forgot to tell y'all, this is my second time in Miami, so it's new, but it ain't that much new. I know the ropes a little bit this time, and next time I'm gonna fully know the ropes. I know for sure. Well, I won't know for sure, but I don't live here or be down here that much. But I'm gonna be here more. So yeah. So y'all, we just got here. We got some pizza. Oh my god! They moved it over here. Let's see what we got. Got spring. Cheese sticks. And this, but I'm gonna bring all of this in the kitchen, so we don't get no bugs going. So we don't be everywhere with this food. Shoot everybody? Yeah. Shoot everybody.
Oh, Malia? Oh, Malia? Is that Malia?
Yeah, I guess.
Malia, you trying to shoot her?
Y'all, I didn't know I was recording. I was like, catch that. Yeah, I don't know how they talking about, but I ain't with that. I ain't screwing nobody, but I'm in. And I got food already, so. Today is my second day in Miami for my friend's birthday. I already got ready, kind of sort of, in a bathing suit, so we finna go in that. I'm not wearing these shoes, but yeah. I didn't make my bed up. I'm gonna do that when I get back. I should have already did it, but it's alright. I'm finna get my stuff, but I already got it right here. I'm finna go to the BurgerFi. We can drive. We was gonna order it, but nah, we just gonna go get it so we can save some bucks. But alright, y'all. See y'all in a minute. Now right over there.
You can take my pictures with that camera?
Yeah, I'll take some pictures. So y'all, we made it to the BurgerFi. We didn't know we had to walk across to find it. We gotta walk across the street.
I was just
that's
fine because I don't see it.
Yeah, that's well. I don't know if they have parking there, but
Imagine looking.
I'm still like getting used to cause it's inverted. Oh, I should do it the other way so I don't have to do that. But anyways, so yeah, I'm trying to update y'all. We're gonna go in now.
Alright, so y'all ready? We gonna walk with that down the street, or you think they gonna say something?
They is gonna say something. We're gonna put this out. My sister calling me, y'all. Let me see. Hey. Oh, I don't know. Shit. only 3 of us right now. The rest at the house, we going to get food because we starving. And we some skinny bitches, but we the ones that want to eat.
Exactly. I mean,
It's because we the ones that smoke.
Oh, yeah. That too. I'm still
really
trying to think of where I want to go because I don't want a burger. Yeah.
So what you get?
I'm getting a burger and fries. Thanks.
Burger and fries?
Yeah.
y'all be safe.
We will.
Oh, they got sushi.
Bitch, don't let me get sushi.
Try to play games.
Oh, yeah. No, yeah, none of us with that shit.
Clock it, alright?
Yeah. My sister on the phone, she loves sushi. Like, I might just go back
Let me
and
see
get
his
sushi after
sister.
I got
Oh, she cute.
Yeah.
Why she didn't come?
Oh, cause she got another life. She got a family now. Yep. She just had my nephew.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Chosen. Here's my nephew. Oh my God. Hi, Chosen.
Stage.
Wait, show him back. Show him back. Y'all look. Y'all look at Chosen.
They want burger fries. We the only ones that
I want sushi.
don't.
Hey, Chosen. Hey.
You get stuff from somebody else?
Yep.
You don't want to talk to you later.
All right. See you later. Talk to you later.
I figured out we going to already.
And then you got acai bowls. I love acai bowls.
Sushi and acai bowls. Oh my god.
So I know
You know that song?
Oh, you know you know the song?
I know the
Oh,
song.
okay.
I ain't never listened to it. For real?
Right. So the real funny shit.
I'm stupid as fuck.
I got all stars in the in the club, rockin' with my niggas. Rockin' on them chickens. You ain't talking money, I don't need it. Yeah.
Gotta touch my own face.
That's pretty. Okay, talk to her.
Oh, yeah, the one
To the death of me, I need pay like that. I put up in that motherfucking bitch trying to get that to me. You know I got a lot of bucks like I'm in from Milwaukee.
yeah.
Ooh, nasty nose.
You want food? Bitch, why you got motherfucking stuff left over?
I'm still on this shit. Like, you I tell you about this
The
shit?
paper somebody
I'm crying. But still in your D.
Let me see. You gonna take it? Let me see.
My niece wasn't even asking. It was the mirror.
Oh, bitch, ooh, count me
He said,
all the baddies. I'm finna walk to the beach right now. Period. Yes, very respectfully.
oh, wow.
And he said he don't have the money on.
Broke ass bitch.
He's a broke. What Lotto said. Huh?
What is that?
What?
That looks burning, bitch.
Oh yeah, it's okay. Make it look bigger.
no,
I
that's
see it bigger too.
You not gonna say nothing?
Oh, I don't know why you put
that show
you could have crossed. It was 3 seconds. We gotta cross.
Oh, I thought we were
Now we gotta cross this way.
I feel like I gotta wait till the light is red.
Yeah.
the light red.
Huh?
For real? That should make it. That should burn.
Yeah, I said it's look. Huh? You didn't believe me? We have to make it burn, but not burn like that. It's burn like it's a.
Mine
Make it look clear.
Hey, Dawn.
Yeah. My bad. Y'all ever had them dick and waffle thing? Here, you never had it? We should get it. What's the thing? I'm so sick of this shit already. Where's it? Well, look, nah, I ain't gonna say no shit. You know how to say excuse me, maybe she's not here. So they need to, I don't give a fuck if you heard me too. I don't like to do that. Cause we the black people moving out their way. Like, we come, you know what I'm saying? They could say excuse me. Cause we would, if we walking by somebody, we would say excuse me. Respectfully. They don't say shit.
Don't close your eyes.
Hey, y'all, that's not being rude. That's just being real.
Shit was so.
Thank you. I see it. I'm finna do it. Wait, where you at? Look at the camera. Hey, take me off pause. Hurry up. Say it to the vlog. Alright, bye. Talk to you later. Love you.
I'm a woman. It's a lot. We weren't treated for anything. You deserve real support. So we made science-backed solutions.
What is it?
Hey, brother. It's 2 minutes away. Make a left. It say make a left.
That's what's on y'all the other day. Well, we are baby mamas, so we don't fuck like that days at all. Yeah, y'all baby mamas be putting Miami first. Oh, what the fuck? I need you to turn me out.
Yeah, baby mama.
My baby dad. I'm getting outside, I ain't in the house I'm gonna go out, where the niggas at? You looking like a dog. I'm a trending topic. What's up? Oh my God. We in my ass, in my ass. I love to make them mad. I make our pump quick, I'm running south and fast. I'm watching that fat and I'm dead. Yeah, I'm out to my dad. Niggas tryna fuck, but I don't need a man. So let all heal from cool 3 bed. I'm a fine baby mama, but you knew that though. Booty shorts on with a bad camel toe. I don't know why he's mad, you know I got the mode. Pretty in the face and his ass from before. Yeah, booty me.
So what you spending? I don't got no while you was there was fake. I told you about them guys. She said this guy was paid. I had all that body rats and I fell out of shape. Most can't treat it like no bitch, I'm here to the money, feeling low with bands, baby. Tell you stay on me tonight, I don't care nothing about your man, baby. I can't kick it with you, nigga. I ain't Jackie Chan, baby. Oh, you say I'm acting stinking dog shit in my pants, baby. Nigga, I was big broke, bitch. I had to get that shit. You found it? They talk about. Okay. Phil Jackson. I call you later. Get up with me. I'm in traffic, baby. I was in the trap and they was screaming trapping dead, nigga. Nigga, I ain't doing all that talking. I know how to play that, nigga. Nigga, I can serve a nigga some lows like A-P, better go play with the hoes.
I'm gonna call you back right now.
Already did.
Thank you, y'all too. Safety love. What about lesbians? What's it? It's at the house. I like. So y'all. No.
Well, you should take this spot. No, I'm bad.
Yeah, we went.
Yeah, I think you gotta go around. Somewhere around. Go up.
Okay. Badass sit up better than two bunk beds. Oh, she did it. She eat her cornbread. Yeah. Wow. That homemade.
We gotta take pictures for Brad. Or is this vlogging?
No, we did pictures too. No, I'm vlogging.
Ooh, see that to me. See that to me. Oh! But bitch, you got no food. Take this aside. We can, but I don't know how to get up.
You gonna do what?
Get to the front. That's how you get up the pieces.
Oh yeah, Darren's got the rails.
Is there room for us to get over there? It's a little bit, yeah, but like. Yeah, I think that's only the inside and then right here.
Yeah, I think that's for the driver. Only.
Car Jesus. Huh? Car Jesus. Who the hell is that? I told you water.
Oh yeah, we could get up here too with the driver.
We can?
Yeah, it's seats. Period. Period.
Both ways. I'm trying to get to the front though and take pictures up there. I'm trying to. Okay, unless it's
y'all, we've been at the house. It's 2:27 a.m. and yeah, we got back at like 10 or 11. But I'm gonna sum everything up tomorrow because I'm tired. Just gotta eat enough ready to smoke. So yeah.
Tomorrow for sure. Eventually.
It's closed.
yeah, we're gonna it's cold.
Wow, that's crazy.
Right now.
This some bullshit. That's crazy. I was checking all the places. We already went to what that place is called? Cisco, whatever the hell, lounge. Oh shit! I have a different card, but it was closed. So now we at this different place. So we couldn't go to see this other place because the other place we've seen that we came here for, nobody want to eat it because it's around that place and everybody don't like around there. So we're gonna walk to go to the other place that one of the girls, I think it was Mimi or that found. So that's where we're going. Got the birthday bitch right here. Period. She looking good. Y'all see that? Period. Period. Her already. Mom really looking. That don't even look like me right there. You already know it. You that's Mimi, right? Look at her. I'm doing the artwork. No. Oh, let's do that. Oh yeah, I forgot. I thought we had TikTok. We had TikTok to do. Ready? Don't move. Wait, why did I want your turn, Ari. Now my turn. You know I gotta do the both. Don't fall. There's no ass. What's fine? I like it. What you gonna do? Look at that. It's cold. So where's place at? Where's place at? Me? Yeah, you. Oh, I thought it's because his dress like kind of tight. That's so cute, bro. It's kind of tight. That's our own business. Well, no, it's not a bathing suit. I have put some yellow underwear under it, so it's good. But it is still shit. If you don't know it. And the water went on my shoe. I put a spray on my shoes so my feet don't slip. When I walk in, I learned a new trick. And my feet, they're not slipping, but see, they is now because the water touched them when I was to the rain. I'm gonna go read it. I don't know. Actually, they argued us to the where's that? And this is my dad friend zone. Oh, they have a cinema. Y'all wanna go and watch it? There's a movie theater. What then? When? It's from now to April? That's any time. Oh, I'm not here. April what? April 1st? March 16th. Okay, they're hungry. They're leaving us. Yeah, come on! Yeah, I'm gonna try to get to the base first. So everybody a long time to get there. And on top of that, they ain't trying to hurry up. They all the way back there. Huh? Also, they all the way back there. They ain't trying to hurry up. I said, we don't. I parked me when I like it. I'm not gonna take that away. That's all the way back there. I'm just trying to finish the shoe. I'm not trying to walk, but let them go quick. They gotta be like, it's a red light. I know for a second. For just 1 second, yeah. Might as well let everybody get it. Alright. Before y'all do all that. So y'all, we got to this place called Aura, and you don't? You don't? Oh, you don't like what they got? They don't have that much stuff. They don't have a lot of size. I mean, this shit look good. No, fuck this. Let's leave. They don't have much options. What you mean? And then look out. Why the fuck? No, I don't mind paying it, but jerk like chicken fritters. Y'all sweet. Okay. No. Oh no, I love it. I love jerk chicken pasta. That's my go-to if I have it. I just want to go somewhere with pasta. I like pasta. Yeah. Okay, so y'all all want pasta. They probably want some crabs, right? Seafood. No, that's the thing. If I eat seafood, I'm gonna eat some more food. Because seafood don't keep you full. It just gets you tasting good, like a snack. Yeah, like literally. You want me hungry the next hour.
So not this.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Well, guys, it's worth the shot, I guess. So we finna walk to a different place, or we finna go? Oh yeah, was it Twin Peaks? Oh no, it was that seafood place. Yeah, oh no, she said still can't do it because she can't have her food mixed with other stuff. Still. So, and yeah, I forgot, what was you allergic to? You said
I'm allergic to coconut oil and berries and stuff, so I can't eat Caribbean. I can't eat Caribbean food because that's all they cook in is coconut milk and oil.
I would have just ordered the boyfriend.
so, guys. That's what it is.
I already got that. If she come up and you'll find love in 6 months and there's somebody around you that stay, but you don't know it is.
Who?
The person who read my own thing.
For real?
Yeah. She told me it's somebody that I got around me that's
Got some motherfuckers too.
Yeah. She said, you know, psychic place just passed. She was like, oh, somebody read her card last year, and they said she got a backstabbing. Somebody backstabbing around her.
My mom told me this devil stuff in your future, man.
It is.
I'm finna pick 5.
Okay. 3. What order? What happened?
Y'all not picking. I'm finna go eat somewhere. Literally. I'm not hungry though.
Yeah, I said Twin Peaks. Let's try there.
No, I always said that though. I've been said that. That's why I'm not like. Okay.
Yeah, let's go to Twin Peaks.
So either you no.
Oh, y'all need to see the menu first. We can see it when we go in, and then whatever y'all don't want it, shit. I don't know. We don't have to go on the order to go that. I don't know. Yeah, we should go to the crosswalk, guys. That's why people looking at us crazy. So y'all, now we're going to Twin Peaks place. I'm trying to fight off to a place like that.
It's not even cold.
What y'all getting for happy hour? It don't matter, whichever one y'all have. Yeah, it don't matter. It's $6.
I wouldn't say so bad.
So y'all, we're getting our orders. Oh yeah, I'm bringing out the camera. Y'all embarrassed? Y'all embarrassed? Y'all embarrassed? Y'all shy with the camera? Okay. I hope y'all don't, or y'all feel weird? Uncomfortable? Okay. Just making sure, because people would be like acting weird. Like, I'll cut the camera if y'all want. It's not that serious.
I'll do that. I'll get that before
Awesome, yeah.
Well, the game's not freaking. We can take pictures.
Y'all messed up for that.
Okay, so which next one should we
Y'all
go
messed up for
to?
that.
Huh?
Which next one should we go to?
There's some more down here.
Y'all messed up for that. Come on, let's get out. Come on.
It's not bad for the shop.
Come on, y'all. Y'all finna talk. Come on. They didn't walk out the damn white.
Remember we came down here and we seen some.
Cause she said it looked nasty, so
That shit did, and he had a fucking attitude. You don't do your money away to people that got attitude.
Alright. I said both. I'm looking crazy, but guess what, guys? As you can tell, we're back in my city. We're back in the Orlando, and I'm changing my hair because, like I told y'all, I'm going on another trip. So here we are. But I'm gonna be posting a separate vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Miami vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed me hanging out with my friends, and especially for my friend's birthday. So hope you guys enjoyed that. We got a little intake on it, and I wish y'all the best. Make sure y'all check out my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications for me. And if you got to the end, say raw, R-A-W. Say raw in the comments if you got this far. But thanks, guys.
Just begun, party all night until we see the sun. Call up the plug, roll the 3-5 in the blunt. Done, Julio, I can taste it on my tongue. We outside, you know it's going to be a vibe. Get your camera phone, start the Instagram live.